But obviously, I watch Manchester United. This is for sure. This is a club. I still have a teammate, my old teammate there. So I like to watch the games. Manchester United is still one of the biggest clubs in the world. This is the truth. And yeah, but no, nothing. I wasn't thinking about most stuff.
What do you think about what's happening at United at the moment when you watch them?
What I'm thinking about
some of their
United
fans
at the moment right now.
The fans are suffering.
They do this. They do suffer. What do they want? That's what do they want?
They want to get back to what United were like when you first arrived at Old Trafford.
And what do they expect?
They expect, at the moment.
What do they expect?
They don't expect very much.
The question is right in front of you. You're asking me. I'm never gonna go and destroy the club that I played with. Okay, this is not me. I respect all the players that they are there. I think they are doing their best, and I think there's talented players. I think there's a lot of media on Manchester United, you know, and I just think they need time, truly talking, and you need to talk about the club on top, and let the time that United needs to get back. Like the example, I would say Arsenal. Arsenal had a long time to get back to the top, and right now they are, let's say, dominating the league with Man City and Liverpool. You know, it's a big club. It's Manchester United. I believe that they will come back at the top one day, and reality is not to. Right now they are not at the top. So reality is not today.